Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this one, I'm going to show you how I play Bend Me, Shape Me by the American Breed on electric guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E, and the key is C major and will be modulating to the key of A major. For the intro and verse chords, we're going to be playing a C major chord, an E flat major, F major, and B flat major. Now I'm playing bar chords on the C, the E flat, and the B flat, same shape, and then I'll play an F major chord, and we're going to play them this way: 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll repeat that for the intro and the verses. Now I'm strumming down, down on all of those. Down, 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 down. Just like that. Next is the pre-chorus. For the pre-chorus, we're going to go to an A minor, a G chord, F major 7, back to A minor, D minor 7, and then E major. We'll play that this way: 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for our strumming, we went to an A minor, down, up, down, down, up, down, G, down, up, down, down, up, down, F major 7, A minor, G minor 7, and then E like this. And that was 8 beats on that E chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. Now for the chorus, we're going to modulate to the key of A major, and we'll be playing A, D, G, and A. And for that one, we're going to strum down, 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 down. We'll do that progression 3 times, and for the 4th time around, we'll play the A, the D, and the G, and that was 7 strums on the G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we'll go back into our verses. Now all the chord progressions repeat, so that's all we need to know to play through this song. But for the ending, we're going to repeat the A, D, G, and A. And we'll take it home playing that. Well, my friends, that's all there is to this song. That's Bend Me, Shape Me by the American Breed on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.